just what Carter Westfall was asking here. We are talking about adding them together. And the only difference is you are now going to be asked to add fractions that have unlike denominators together. You already have these rules written down. I'm giving them to you. So it'll be pretty simple. Here is your example. If I'm trying to add 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay, step number 1 you have written down there. You have to make them up and down. And here's the deal. 1/2 plus 1/3. You are not allowed to add fractions that don't have the same denominator together. You can't just put that together and say that's 2/5 or whatever you wanted there. That was where step 2 is. You have to, and this is kind of the new stuff, you have to make common denominators. Which means I need to change both of these fractions so they have the same bottom number. Now the hardest part is probably figuring out what that bottom number should be. Okay, but the simple way to think about it is you need to figure out what is the least common multiple of the denominators. What is the smallest thing, and you can use bigger ones, but smallest makes it easier for us. If you have the numbers 2 and 3 and you want to find the smallest number they will go into, their least common multiple, it would be what, Jacob?
6.
6. You could use 12, you can use 24, but you want to use the smallest one because it makes your life that much easier. So I want to change these both to 6s. In the past, the book would tell you what number to use on the bottom. Now you have to be a smart 6th grader to figure it out for yourself. And you do that. You just make common denominators. How do I go from 3 to 6? Multiply by 2. So what times 2 is 2? How do I go from 2 to 6? Multiply by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. And then you simply, for step number 3, add tops, keep the bottom the same. So what is 3 6 and 2 6 together? You get 5 6. And it's just that easy for all of them. How about another example? 1/3 minus 1/4. 1/3 minus 1/4. What is my common denominator of 1/3 and 1/4? What is, I have a 3 and a 4. What's the smallest number that 3 and 4 go into, Carter Westfall?
12.
Very good. So you multiply 4 by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4. 1 times 4. And this is subtraction. Please keep that straight. Not everything's addition. 3 12s from 4 12s is 1 12. This, by the way, is also what you will do when you have to compare fractions. For example, 3/8 compared to 1/2. 3/8 compared to 1/2. Get this in your minds right now. No more are you drawing rectangles. Because that's only as good as a drawer you are. You don't do this anymore. Here, look, little slash mark through it, no more. In order to appropriately find faith equal of these, see which one's bigger, you need to change them to common denominators. If you have an 8 and a 2, what's the smallest thing that 8 and 2 go into?
8.
So I need to change them so they both have 8s on the bottom, which is nice because this already is 8. 1/2 is how many 8s?
4.
Multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4. And then it's very easy to see which fraction is bigger. What's bigger, 3/8 or 4/8? 4/8 are always bigger than 3/8. So don't be drawing pictures anymore. Okay, when I give you quizzes and stuff like that, you need to come up with common denominators. Everybody happy with that? Perfect.